Here we go. Here's the 2012 Ford Econoline high top. Today is July 18, 2023. This thing's getting shipped out to Lake Havasu, Arizona right now. The trucker is here to pick it up. There's the truck it's going on. I'll run you through everything so you know how to work everything. Door locked here. This thing is all good, ready to go. You can see the condition. I just want you to see the mileage and everything before it jumps on the truck. Condition is exactly the way it is. Super nice, clean van. This thing is ready to roll. You can see everything is here, functioning the way it's supposed to. Lighting, TV speakers. I want to point out on the wheelchair lift there's a little toggle switch there. If you're not using the van, it's not a bad idea to have that toggle switch turned off. These vans can sometimes draw power, but you should be okay. Just food for thought. I try to tell everybody that. And I'm going to run you through the equipment really quickly here. Here's your switches for all your rear lights, TV, bed, all that stuff in the back. Okay. You got your head unit here. Have a remote control. Got your mileage, 31,565. I have the emergency brake on, that's why that's on. Things getting ready to roll. You have the handheld remote here for the lift, which you can operate everything right here, okay? You press the down button to open the doors, and then you can operate the lift. You'll have to push it down a couple times to cycle it when you first use it. Just want you to see everything's working before it gets out of here. You are ready to roll. And then that's the up button, and then stow will put it away. Now with this remote, what I like to do is keep the power on off when I'm not using it. And then when you turn the power on, when you turn the power on, this switch right here, you'll have to hit the button a couple times to wake up the system. And you just close the door. Have everything here ready to go. There's your switch on the lift. Okay. This is for your power bed, up and down, as you can see. Goes all the way down. You can lay down. So the bed slides forward and back and up and down. Got your ratchet straps, tie downs, extra seat belt here. This you just pull, and then there's a little release down here to use that. Pretty simple, easy setup. You're ready to go, man. I'm gonna drop these shades for the trip. Okay. And you are ready to go. Beautiful van on its way to you. Thank you.